How to monetize your YouTube channel. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can monetize YouTube channel. Well, first things first, to monetize a YouTube channel, you must primarily join the YouTube partner program YPP and follow their policies. How you can do so? Well, install your YouTube Studio application from your Play Store or App Store and make sure you are signed into your account. Then head over to your account there. Now once you're here on your page, you can see on YouTube Studio, tap on the Earn tab at the bottom right corner. Then you can see Start Your Journey. Scrolling down and you'll be able to see eligibility. So you'll have to complete 3 video uploads in last 90 days and then either 3000 public watch hours in long format video in 365 days or 3 million views in shorts in 90 days. So if you have that, then you can tap and apply and you'll be able to apply it. Then you'll be able to proceed to see another eligibility here, that is 1000 subscribers and similar, either 400 public watch hours in videos or the 10 million views this time in 90 days in order to join the partner program. Then once you have done so, you'll have to follow all YouTube channel monetization policies and have no active community guideline strikes. Then have a linked active AdSense for your YouTube account. Then be based in a country or region where the YPP is available. Once you have done so, ensure 2-step verification is turned on for your Google account and you are good to go. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.